has been started. So in the from the chart, what we need to do, we need to go to the chart. First, go to the chart, pro real time chart.
Yeah.
Yeah. So here, according to the module and unit, our entry price for short is on the red histogram, correct?
Yeah.
So, and for entry price for buy will be calculated from the blue histogram, correct?
Yeah.
So, if I go to the short signal which is generated now on 26th of February
Yeah.
for gold.
Yeah.
So, our job is to write down in the journal instrument as gold,
Okay.
and then we need instrument as gold, and then the date as whatever, the change the date to 26th, go to the top after XAU USD. Yeah, date, change it to 2 divided by 26, enter. 2 divided by 26, enter. Just type in 2 divided by 26 and then enter. And enter. Very good. And then we go to common, it is automatic common, we need to write commodity
Yeah.
because we are in a day time frame, daily time frame.
Yeah.
So we are writing D.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
And we are now then going and to the chart and seeing the ESD.
Okay. Yeah.
And ESD was 243.
USD. Uh,
Just stay there.
243. Yeah.
For gold, we go one decimal place.
Yeah. So 2439. Yeah.
No.
224.3. So 243. Sorry. Yeah.
243.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
243. So that is the
243. Yeah.
ESD. Then our next job is to type in the high and low.
High and
Because
low.
next job can be, you can consider writing short on the H column. S for short. H12. H12.
Here I write.
No. H for Henry.
Yeah. Where do I write? On this
See
one here?
in no L slash.
Oh, H12. H12. Here.
Yeah. So we are going short because of the red signal, correct?
Yeah.
We need to write S here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
According to this strategy, our stop loss should be previous high plus
ESD.
ESD. Okay.
Yeah.
And the entry should be low minus ESD. Correct?
Yeah.
So our job, because we are going short here,
Yeah.
our job would be to write down the low of the current bar on the 26th,
Yeah.
which is, we have written down 28435, 28678
Yeah.
from the chart.
Yeah.
And we need to go to the previous high according to the module and unit. For stop, we need to go to the previous high. Go to the previous high. This high is 29302. So the previous high is 29563, which is higher than the current high of 29302. Okay.
Yeah.
So 29563. Go to the journal and write down 29563 on the high. 29563. So do you understand why we are doing this?
Yeah. Because we are shorting it.
Yes.
But this formula if it is for a long, it will calculate automatically or what?
Yeah. It will
Oh, okay.
calculate automatically provided you go to the previous high and low.
Yeah.
We'll do a long also, L also, okay?
Okay.
So here the formula is calculated as 28435 low minus, yeah, click on that. So it is low minus the ESD,
Yeah.
and then go
Low
to the
minus.
formula low minus 317 minus 243, and then go to
Yeah.
the formula column, change that G to F, go to the formula column, change the G to F. Very good, very good, very good. Enter and copy that and paste it down. Control C and Control V for everywhere.
Or can I just drag this directly?
Yeah, you can drag it. Okay.
Yeah.
Any question?
No, Partha. What is stop
Right.
distance?
Yeah. Stop distance is the distance between the stop and the entry.
Okay.
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 So those
And
things,
this exit is usually blank.
yeah, always blank unless and until you are closing the trade.
So when you close this trade, you put exit number here
Correct. Exactly.
manually.
Exactly.
That will give you your percentage
Yeah.
and
See,
this
that
thing.
is on the exit, on top of the exit, it is written ME, manual entry. Can you see that?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. ME is manual entry. Okay.
Okay.
So do
So
you
once you write the
understand?
exit, it's the entry. It's the trade is closed.
Yeah. For example, we'll delete that. Write down we are exiting as 2800, 28000. That means 28000. Yeah. Enter. See, if we exit at 28000, we make 2.72%. Okay.
Okay.
Makes sense?
Yeah.
Now from go to A, remove that 2800 because this trade is running. Delete. And go to A13. Yeah. From there, select up to H13. The shift and right arrow. Shift and no. Shift no. Shift and right arrow. Shift on the keyboard. Yeah. Next, another one, and then down arrow. Shift and down arrow. Shift. Yeah. Down. Go down. Absolute down. Delete. Press delete.
Delete all this.
Yeah, because they're old data.
Yeah.
Very good. Very good. So now go. Yeah. So now go to again do XAU USD, for example. We'll do a long. Okay. Now go to
Okay.
the chart and take the long, which is there. Yeah. On the click on hide. Click on hide below. There is a stop sharing and hide. Hide is after stop sharing. Yeah. So everything just stay there. Just stay there. And then write down the date as 29th of January. Long, we are going high. Write down high is 27985.
Yeah.
And then ESD is 21.6.
Yeah.
And go to the previous low. Go to the previous low. Previous day low, which is lower than the current bar. Yeah, very good, very good. Just write down the low as 27305. Now go to
Yeah.
Excel. Yeah, first put the low as 27.35. First put the
Date.
date. Yeah, put the date.
What's the date? 29 1.
1 divided by 29. 1 divided by 29. Always no. Month slash date. Enter. Yeah. And then commodity. You can copy commodity because you have only learned commodity. So very good. And D, capital D, ESD as 216. Previous low as 2730.
This is not previous. No, this
Yeah,
is.
yeah. Oh, this is previous low. In the low, write down. Yeah,
This
2730. Down,
this is
down.
previous.
Yeah, that's previous.
This
Depending
is
on
previous.
depending on whether we are going short or long, low would be previous or high would be previous. Because now we are going long. No,
Okay.
no.
Yeah.
No.
No.
No. Delete all of them. Delete both. Yeah. Understand. If we are going short, then high should be previous.
Okay.
If we are going long, then low should be previous.
Oh, so write previous low here.
Yeah, 2730.
7305.
Yeah.
27305. Okay.
And in the high, write down 27985
Okay.
and write down L, capital L. Very good. Enter. No, enter. Very good. So remove all the exit. Shift and remove everything. L. Go to L13.
Okay.
L for lion. Go to L13. Yeah, L13 and delete everything. Shift down arrow and delete. Shift down arrow and delete.
Hmm.
So this is your journal which you need to save. Go to save. File, save. Okay.
Hmm.
So this is how you put the entry on the
Okay.
journal. Okay.
Yeah.
Any question?
So first you do the journal and then you do the trade is better or is the other
100%.
way around?
1000% all the time.
So can we do this trade now?
Yes. We on the 26th. On the 26th short. Now on the 26th short, as per your journal, the entry should be 29320 and stop should be 29806, isn't it?
Which one? Where is the entry here?
INJ. Yeah. I is
One.
the entry, J is the stop. Okay.
Okay.
Now
Yeah.
go to the MT5. Yeah, change the market execution to pending order because we are going on a pending order, and make it now the price is 2857. We are going short on 2932, isn't it?
Hmm.
So go to sell limit. It will be a sell limit order. I hope you remember this. Sell limit.
Okay.
And then volume is 0.05 according to the position size. Then the price, write it down. Entry was 2932.0. 2932.0. Yeah. Stop loss, write it down. 2980.6. 2980.6. 0.6. Very good. Comment short. We are shorting. No, the GTC. Good till cancel. GTC is good
This
because
sell limit, why did we write that?
the current market price is 2857 in front of you, correct?
Yeah.
And you want to sell at 2932 because you missed yesterday.
Yeah.
So now 2932 is more than 2857, isn't it?
Yeah.
If you are placing an order which is more than the market price, that is a sell limit.
Yeah.
If you want to know all this type in a great detail, you need to do the Traders Foundation course.
Okay.
Now you need to do the take profit is blank because we will not put the take profit while we are taking the trade. Okay.
Okay.
And GTC should be always GTC good till cancel. Unless and until we are canceling, it will be GTC.
Okay. Okay.
Now place the order.
What about stop limit here? You don't put anything?
Nothing because it is grayed out. See. Yeah. Now because today is Saturday, market is closed. On Monday when you do, it will be order will be placed. Okay.
Okay.
So this is how we place a trade, and before that we place everything on the journal.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Any question?
No, Partha.
So I have answered all your questions.
Yes, Partha.
Okay. So you do this, and then whenever required, you need to book a this thing session with us. Okay.
Okay. Okay, Partha.
All right. And then I